Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to accept money from credit cards. Immediately, identify your business type and transaction volume, as this will heavily influence your choice of payment system. Determine if you need an in-person terminal, an online gateway, or a mobile solution for your sales. Researching the various providers and their service offerings is a critical initial step. Preparing a list of your specific business needs will streamline the entire setup process effectively. When selecting your payment solution, you have several primary options to consider. Point-of-sale systems are ideal for brick-and-mortar stores, offering integrated hardware and software for seamless transactions. Online payment gateways are perfect for e-commerce businesses, allowing customers to pay directly on your website. Mobile card readers, on the other hand, provide flexibility for businesses on the go or pop-up shops. Carefully compare the associated fees, including per-transaction percentages and any monthly service charges, to ensure cost-effectiveness for your operation. Once you have chosen your processor, the next step is setting up your system. You will typically need to complete an application, which often requires your business registration, tax identification number, and bank account details. For online sales, integrate the payment gateway with your e-commerce platform using provided plugins or developer tools. If you are using a physical terminal, you will install the hardware and download any necessary software onto your computer or tablet. Always run a few small test transactions to verify that payments are processing smoothly and funds are reaching your account. When actually processing a payment, always ensure a smooth and secure experience for your customer. For in-person sales, accurately swipe, tap, or insert the card into your terminal and prompt the customer for their PIN or signature if required. For online transactions, ensure your checkout process is intuitive and clearly displays all charges before final confirmation. Always provide a receipt, whether it is printed or sent via email, as proof of purchase. Lastly, routinely check your transaction reports against your bank deposits to maintain accurate financial records and resolve any potential issues promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.